Bullish Algorand, Algo, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.901092 and $1.70 by 2030. Market examiners accept Algo could reach $0.700849 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.160194. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has hence lost most of these increases, examiners and sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand, Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cache. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand, Algo, basic examination. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just a beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed step by step. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment, asks boss Chen Fangfang, addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early benefactors had presented the drive to unreasonable dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, Algo, specialized investigation. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamach worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. At the point when FIFA declared its collaboration with Algorand, it showed that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain-upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a vast implosion saw Algo exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand is at present worth $0.200243 United States dollars. Algo has moved 7.37% as of now with an exchanging volume of $102,528,425. Algorand is at present position 53 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $1,313,721,614 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand, Algo, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2023 Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, Algo. The Algo cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.300364. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.280340 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.240291. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.500607. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Algo's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.400485 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.440534. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.700849 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.640776 and a low of $0.600728 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2029. While Algo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.40 and a yearly cost close above $1.50 in 2029. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2030 by 2030, Algorand will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.60 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.70, averaging out at $1.64. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2030